Online medical appointments are something many of us would be fairly familiar with this year, but it's hoped the technology will be used beyond the pandemic to transform the way the NHS delivers care in Wales. The National Video Consultation Service was first launched in March for GPs and primary care, but it's now being extended to dentists, optometrists and pharmacists. Gavin Fisher has all the details.
A place of recovery. For Stephen Manley, visiting Cosmoston Lakes near Penarth has become part of managing his post-traumatic stress disorder. He's recently left the military and has been receiving therapy through the video consultation service.
I didn't value my life that much. I was there, I'd been trained to do a job like a car. Once the car gets to a point where it's no longer valuable, you get rid of it and get another one. And that's the way I felt. Video therapy sessions are very, very helpful. And it makes you feel more comfortable. You're not in like a sterile environment. I could be sat on a settee at home. That made a massive difference.
Stephen's sessions are some of over 80,000 done so far as part of NHS Wales's video consultation service. Paid for out of £50 million in Welsh Government funding, it's been taken up by over 70% of GP practices in Wales.
So it just comes on when you get a hot drink and then it's quite a quick pain and it goes away.
The rollout of the technology has come quicker than planned because of the coronavirus pandemic. It's now being offered out to all optometrists, pharmacists and dentists and is already being used at over 250 sites in Wales, including Rwabon Road Dental Practice in Wrexham.
You can see so much more than if you were just hearing someone on the phone. That then helps us if the patient needs to come in to the practice, we have a really good idea about what we're going to be doing.
So, a vital tool over the last year. But Professor Alka Ahuja, who's in charge of the project, says the change is permanent.
I think it is going to transform, the way NHS delivers care. We're not going to be going backwards. We want to still make sure we're delivering high-quality service to patients, but it may also mean that for those who it is appropriate, will get virtual consultation, and it frees up time for clinicians to then attend to people who may need face-to-face and who may need longer appointments.
There are concerns that relying on online consultations isn't good for everyone, particularly the elderly.
Our own research shows that more than half of the over 75s don't have access to the internet. We must retain face-to-face consultations as an option. And these face-to-face consultations must be of equivalent quality in terms of length and frequency as online consultations.
The NHS say the technology won't replace face-to-face checkups altogether. But as the new online service extends its reach, it's likely the way many of us get our healthcare will look quite different, even after the pandemic is over.